microwave tripping a countertop receptacle in a mobile home with only one 15-amp 120-volt countertop receptacle branch circuit can be addressed through several methods. Firstly, consider installing a surface mount circuit. This involves mounting an electrical box and conduit directly on the wall surface to run a new circuit to the countertop receptacle. This approach minimizes disruption to the existing structure of the mobile home. Secondly, you might explore moving the receptacle location. If feasible, relocate the countertop receptacle to a different location that already has access to another branch circuit. This may involve some cutting and patching of drywall, but it can effectively distribute the electrical load. Thirdly, installing a separate microwave breaker could solve the problem. Install a dedicated 15-amp breaker in the electrical panel specifically for the microwave. This ensures the microwave has its own independent circuit, reducing the likelihood of it tripping the receptacle due to overloading. Fourthly, consider installing an external microwave outlet. Mount a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, outlet on the outside of the mobile home and connect it to a new branch circuit. This allows the microwave to be plugged into a separate outlet without requiring any modifications to the existing interior wiring. Fifthly, a surge protector might offer some relief. Install a high-quality surge protector with multiple outlets to plug in both the microwave and other appliances. The surge protector can help mitigate voltage fluctuations that may be contributing to the microwave tripping the receptacle. In addition to these solutions, there are some additional considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, carefully perform circuit load calculations. Before adding any new circuits, ensure that the new circuit has sufficient capacity to handle the load of the microwave, as well as any other appliances that may be used on the countertop. Overloading a circuit can create a dangerous situation and increase the risk of fire. Secondly, always adhere to code compliance. Follow all applicable electrical codes and regulations during any electrical work. If you are unsure about any aspect of the installation, consult with a licensed electrician for guidance in proper installation techniques. Ensuring code compliance is crucial for safety and to avoid potential issues in the future. If none of these solutions are feasible, it is best to consider hiring a qualified electrician to assess the situation. A professional electrician can provide a comprehensive evaluation of the electrical system and recommend the most suitable and safe solution for the specific circumstances. It is important to note that working with electrical systems can be dangerous, and it is always best to prioritize safety and seek professional assistance when needed. Before starting any electrical work, always disconnect the power to the circuit at the main electrical panel. Use a non-contact voltage tester to verify that the power is off before touching any wires or components. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as safety glasses and insulated gloves. Double-check all connections and ensure that they are tight and secure. Use the correct wire size and type for the circuit. Improper wiring can lead to overheating and potential fire hazards. Be aware of the location of other utilities, such as gas and water lines, before drilling or cutting into walls. Avoid running electrical wires through areas where they could be damaged by water or physical contact. Label all circuits and breakers clearly so that they can be easily identified in the future. Keep the electrical panel accessible and free from obstructions. Regularly inspect the electrical system for any signs of damage or wear, such as frayed wires, cracked outlets, or loose connections. If you notice any problems, have them repaired by a qualified electrician as soon as possible. Remember that electrical work requires knowledge, skill, and attention to detail. If you are not comfortable performing the work yourself, it is always best to hire a professional electrician to ensure that the job is done safely and correctly. Mobile homes can present unique challenges due to their construction and wiring. The steel chassis, as mentioned, can make it difficult to run new circuits underneath the home. In such cases, surface-mounted wiring or alternative routing methods may be necessary. When working with mobile home electrical systems, it is especially important to be aware of potential grounding issues. Mobile homes typically have a grounding system that is connected to the chassis. Ensure that all new circuits are properly grounded to the chassis to prevent electrical shocks. Consider upgrading the electrical panel if it is old or outdated. Older electrical panels may not have enough capacity to handle the demands of modern appliances. Upgrading to a newer panel can provide additional circuit breakers and improve the overall safety and reliability of the electrical system. Before making any changes to the electrical system, check with the local building department to see if any permits are required. Electrical work often requires permits to ensure that it is done in compliance with local codes and regulations. When selecting a surge protector, choose one that is specifically designed for use with electronic devices. Look for a surge protector with a high surge current rating and multiple outlets. Consider using a power strip with a built-in circuit breaker to protect against overloads. Power strips can provide additional outlets and offer an extra layer of protection for electronic devices. Avoid using extension cords as a permanent solution. Extension cords are intended for temporary use only. If you need to add an outlet in a specific location, it is best to install a permanent receptacle. Consider using arc fault circuit interrupters or SIs to protect against arc faults. SIs are designed to detect dangerous arc faults, which can cause fires. They are required in many areas for new construction and renovations. When working with aluminum wiring, which is commonly found in older homes, be sure to use connectors that are specifically designed for use with aluminum. Aluminum wiring can corrode over time, which can lead to loose connections and potential fire hazards. Inspect the wiring insulation for any signs of damage or deterioration. Damaged insulation can expose live wires and create a shock hazard. If you find any damaged insulation, have it repaired or replaced by a qualified electrician. Consider using tamper-resistant receptacles, or TRRs, especially in areas where children are present. TRR have internal shutters that prevent objects from being inserted into the slots, reducing the risk of electrical shock. When installing a new receptacle, be sure to use a properly sized wire connector. Wire connectors should be rated for the size and type of wire being used. Over-tightening or under-tightening wire connectors can lead to loose connections and potential hazards. Consider using a voltage tester to check the voltage at the receptacle before plugging in any appliances. This can help to identify any potential voltage problems that could damage the appliance. Avoid overloading circuits with too many appliances. Overloading a circuit can cause the breaker to trip or, in more serious cases, lead to a fire. If you are unsure about the capacity of a circuit, consult with a qualified electrician. Consider using energy-efficient appliances to reduce the overall electrical load. Energy-efficient appliances use less electricity, which can help to prevent overloading circuits and reduce energy costs. When replacing a light fixture, be sure to use a fixture that is rated for the location. For example, outdoor light fixtures should be rated for wet locations. Use the correct type of light bulb for the fixture. Using the wrong type of light bulb can damage the fixture or create a fire hazard. Consider using light-emitting diode or LED light bulbs to save energy. LED light bulbs use significantly less electricity than incandescent light bulbs and last much longer. When working with electrical systems, it is important to be patient and take your time. Rushing through the work can lead to mistakes and potential hazards. Double-check your work to ensure that everything is connected properly and safely. If you are ever unsure about anything, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician. Remember that electrical safety is paramount. By following these guidelines and taking the necessary precautions, you can help to ensure that your electrical system is safe and reliable. And if the lady wants to get a microwave that is not as power hungry, she could consider a smaller and less powerful microwave. When choosing a microwave, consider its wattage. Microwaves with higher wattages cook food faster but also draw more power. A low wattage microwave may be sufficient for basic tasks and can help to reduce the risk of tripping the breaker. Check the microwave's energy efficiency rating. Some microwaves are more energy efficient than others. Look for a microwave with a good energy efficiency rating to save energy and reduce the electrical load. Consider the microwave size and capacity. A smaller microwave may be sufficient for single-person households or for heating up small portions of food. A larger microwave may be necessary for families or for cooking larger meals. Look for a microwave with user-friendly controls. The controls should be easy to understand and operate. Some microwaves have pre-programmed cooking settings for different types of food. Consider a microwave with a turntable. A turntable helps to ensure that food is cooked evenly. Look for a microwave with a removable turntable for easy cleaning. Check the microwave's warranty. A good warranty can provide peace of mind in case of any defects or malfunctions. Consider the microwave's price. Microwaves range in price from basic models to high-end models with advanced features. Choose a microwave that fits your budget and meets your needs. Read online reviews before purchasing a microwave. Online reviews can provide valuable insights into the microwave's performance and reliability. Consider purchasing a microwave from a reputable brand. Reputable brands typically offer better quality and customer support. Compare different models of microwaves before making a purchase. Compare their features, specifications, and prices to find the best option for your needs. When using a microwave, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. The proper use of a microwave can damage the appliance or create a safety hazard. Do not use metal containers or utensils in the microwave. Metal can cause sparks and fires. Use microwave-safe containers and utensils made of glass, ceramic, or plastic. Be careful when heating liquids in the microwave. Liquids can become superheated and explode when disturbed. Stir liquids before and after heating to prevent them from exploding. Do not microwave food in sealed containers. Sealed containers can explode due to the pressure buildup. Vent containers before microwaving. Allow food to stand for a few minutes after microwaving before removing it from the microwave. This allows the heat to distribute evenly and prevents burns. Clean the microwave regularly. Food splatters and spills can attract bacteria and create odors. Use a microwave-safe cleaner to clean the interior and exterior of the microwave. Unplug the microwave when not in use. This can help to save energy and prevent electrical shocks. Inspect the microwave's power cord regularly. Damaged power cords can create a shock hazard. If you find any damage, have the power cord replaced by a qualified electrician. Do not attempt to repair the microwave yourself. Microwaves contain high-voltage components that can be dangerous to work with. Have the microwave repaired by a qualified technician. Keep the microwave away from water and moisture. Water and moisture can damage the microwave and create a shock hazard. Do not use the microwave to dry clothes or other items. This can damage the microwave and create a fire hazard. Supervise children when they are using the microwave. Children should not be allowed to operate the microwave unsupervised. Teach children how to use the microwave safely. Show them how to operate the controls and how to avoid hazards. Follow the same safety precautions for a convection microwave oven. If the microwave continues to trip the breaker after following these tips, consult with a qualified electrician. There may be an underlying electrical problem that needs to be addressed. Remember that electrical safety is paramount. By following these guidelines and taking the necessary precautions, you can help to ensure that your microwave is used safely and effectively. If the microwave is tripping the breaker frequently, it is important to address the problem promptly. Ignoring the problem can lead to more serious electrical issues. Consult with a qualified electrician to diagnose the cause of the problem and recommend the appropriate solution.